Yeah, alright, we're recording. Guys, don't be racist. My pussy. Oh. Whoops. Hey guys. This is nice. Sorry, dude. No one? Come on, bruh. Alright. Damn, we got all of them. Are they in barn, yeah? There's one in slaughterhouse. I can see you in that corner. Sniped. You good over there, Mo? Yeah, buddy. Lightweight. Oops. There's still one more in slaughterhouse, I know it. I feel it in my grunt. I think I saw you, buddy. He's gone, he's gone. Yeah, he gone. I don't know if he got hit or not, but he's gone anyway. Yeah? Alright. Do you want to go up to the corner there and keep an eye on mid? In slaughterhouse, I think. Got one in slaughterhouse. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. It's too quiet. Yeah, there's one there. He's probably gone back. They're probably going to do one big push. They're going to try one big push. So we're going to take up defensive spots. Put that shit at an angle, you get me?
Oh shit!
You okay? You sure? Alright. Yeah, Mo's got hit out and back. Careful there. It's very slippy. Oh fuck, I'm out of shape. You okay? You just shoot. You hold the courtyard there, yeah? And hold mid. Whoops. Oh. Who's taking bar? Who's taking bar? I'm taking bar. Oh. Run, motherfucker! Are you okay? Is that a Reco? I don't know. Ah! Okay, hit. The shit out of us. You guys all good? Satan's spawn is not a... Yeah, at the wall. Yeah, he's still there. Yeah. He's looking right at me. Play a peekaboo with this motherfucker right now. My shit keeps hitting the damn. I think he got my shoe. Fuck. Yeah. I couldn't get him. Not with my scope anyway.
Oh shit!
I can't see him. Got him. I got the flag in. We need to defend it though. Hit. Whew. Hey, Declan. Huh? A little bit. I need more cardio, dog. Yeah, leave it alone for a second. Yeah? Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, I wish I had a walkie-talkie to tell him. Declan was there, but he's gone around the other side. Oh, Lord. Into the barn, boys, because it's a different bomb game mode. So you want to friendly fire this guy. Thank you. €20. So have a team go through, and then a team going around, I think. We should meet up around the same. No. We're just gonna go straight into barn. Oh shit, go, 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 go! Ooh. Oh, I'll take it. Hey Mo.
Oh shit.
Keep your eyes. There's one there, one there, one there. No, it's yeah, he's in tower. Whoops. You're right, actually. Fair enough, watch. I'll go now. Okay.
Yeah.
Ah! Dead man, dead. I need to actually push this shit now. guys good? Where's... Huh? Hefe, we have it, yeah? Go. Oh shit. Red. He's out to the right side of the barn. Where's the rest of my boys? Hit. You're dry firing it. Huh? How did he break it? Oh. Yeah? We were up by 3 minutes. We won apparently.
Did they win, yeah? You put me right in the neck.
Alright boys, we gotta go. Oh, that was grand. We won.